And in this edition of Farm Life, we're up in Volcano Village. Actually, not the village, we're up by more the golf course. But check out those nice ohia forests. Yeah, baby. Lend your ears, lend your hands, lend your movement, anything that you can. Come to teach, come to be taught, come in the image and the likeness of God, 'cause you can be like that, with all that humbleness and all that respect. All the power vested in me, be it hard to love my enemies, all the black bags over the heads of the dead and dying. The more I understand about the human race, the less I understand about my purpose and place. And maybe if there was a clearer line, curiosity would satisfy. Time-based prophecies have kept me from living. In the moment I'm questioning the divinity of all the gods and what the fuck they have planned for us. I go back and forth every single day. The clarity, it comes to me in choppy ways. Feelings and seasons and places change. The galaxies remain. Energy fields, they come to body and space. The angels, they are coming from a spiritual waste. Distances made from a spiritual pace. Tenfold the mono when the planets are in place. Polar alignment. We're on assignment. Bodies on consignment. Return them to the circus. What is the purpose? What is the purpose? And would you believe it? Would you if you knew you were born and how you became so informed? Bodies of info forming such miracles. I am a microbe made up of microbes. And in this existence, I'll make a difference, and I'll be persistent, 'cause I will have lived it. Aloha, aloha, kia kua, aloha, 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 kirana, kuleana. Each day that I wake, I give thanks, I give thanks. Each day that I wake, I will praise, I will praise. And the day that I don't wake up and transcend the holy makeup, I am on my way to a different place. And the day that I don't wake up and transcend the holy makeup, I am capable, I am powerful. Not a leader, just a creature seeking the features of a teacher while you follow whether you lead all the mysterious ways of nature, and I'm into it. Changing management. There are various ways to conquer this monotonous metropolis. My fearlessness is talking shit, my stubbornness is bottomless, and I'm wide awake, and I'm taking names. Would you speak to me the way you speak to God? All the love and understanding between the Father and the Son. Do you believe in the perfectness of where you are? These are my people, these are my family, this is the land that I would fight for. But my solidarity has gotten me patiently moving the musical medicine around the world in a hurry, and there's no time to waste. Gotta wake up my people in time to say that we know how to concentrate, compost and spread it. We can do it, we can save the world. There's nothing to it, just a little bit of sugar. Aloha, aloha, kia kua, aloha, aloha, kuleana, kuleana.
skateboard stuff. And now they have a truck.
You love it?
I love
Right here, like total body heat.
Oh my god.
Yeah, pheasant. Oh, pheasant.
Large that?
No.
Ooh, there's a whole bunch of them. Danger, danger.
Oh my god.
Goes. It's way better. Come on, it's hilarious.
Run! Run! Run again!
You see, I never let Gedge get.
I'm just gonna watch one video here.
I am just making a movie
Oh
of Ralph
my God.
doing his thing.
I'm watching a Corvette that goes, it's over 200 miles an hour on a Texas highway. This guy built this thing. It's called Hennessy. A guy named Hennessy built a Corvette, and the cops let him do it.
That's because the cops are his brothers.
Oh my God. There's absolutely no way this would happen.